Okay, hello there. So today we have a little word problem here, which really turns out to be just a simple systems of equation problem. Okay, so the first thing when you're reading through the problem, what you want to do is immediately try to set up an equation in your head. Okay, so the total cost to rent 8 chairs in 3 tables is $36. So we can just write that as 8c, okay, plus 3t is equal to 36. Okay, and then the total cost to rent 2 chairs, so go ahead and write 2c, okay, plus 5t, okay, is equal to 43. Okay, so we've got 2 unknowns and 2 equations. Okay, so this should work. Okay, so you could use the substitution method to basically, I don't know, solve for C and then plug it in back for T. Or I think the easier route is to use the elimination method. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate my C variable. So I'm just going to multiply the bottom equation by -4, both sides, of course, so that I keep equality. Okay, and so that'll give me, for the bottom equation, let me rewrite that. So let's rewrite our top equation is equal to 36. Okay, and our bottom equation ends up being, let's see, -8c, okay, minus 20t, okay, is equal to -172. Okay, now we just add them together. Okay, so our c variable cancels out. Okay, here we are left with -17t. Okay, and we are left with -136 over here. All right, so now all we have to do is just solve for t. So t, we divide both sides by -17, and that gives us 136 over 17, which reduces down to 8. Okay, so t is equal to 8. All right, so we found our first variable. Okay, so this would actually be dollars. So it costs $8 to rent a table. Okay, so now what we need to do is we take any of these equations. I'm just going to use the top one and plug in 8 for t. Okay, so 8c plus 3. Okay, let's go ahead and plug in $8 for t. Okay, 8 is equal to 36. All right, and let's solve for c. So 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, so 8c. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and skip a step here. So 24, I'm going to subtract it from the other side. Okay, so 36 minus 24 is 12. Okay, so 8c is equal to 12. Then we divide both sides by 8. Okay, so c is 12/8, or 3/2. Okay, or about 1.5. So it costs $1.5 to rent a chair. Okay, so if we're not sure about our answer here, all we got to do is just go ahead and plug the answers that we got back into one of the original equations, and it should work. Okay, I hope that helped explain some things. Thanks for watching.